Hello and welcome. Shopping on eBay is pretty fun. Sometimes you don't receive the same product that you expect to receive, or you have other questions or complaints that you want to ask the seller. In this video, we're going to see how we can complain eBay seller. That's pretty simple. First, log into your eBay account. Now, on the top section, you can see My eBay. And if you hover over it, there are options in which one of them is purchase history. Now select purchase history. Now in this new page, you can see all the orders that you have placed. Select the order that you have complained about, and once you do that, you will have a page in which you can see contact seller like so. Once you click on contact seller, you will have a prompt to enter the message that you want to send to the seller. And that's how you complain eBay seller. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. If you still have any questions, do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.